More than just a machine and a manual, a unique and important resource that we provide is an online gallery. All our LabelOn Basic and Modular clients receive their own custom gallery, as well as our LabelOn Mini clients that choose the extended support package. You'll be provided a link that takes you to your gallery where you enter your password. Inside, you can easily navigate between pictures and videos of your own products, the equipment, and other resources such as manuals or videos for your machine and its sensors. You can also upload items in the gallery yourself by clicking the top left corner. The gallery usually starts with an overview of the machine features. One of the most common concerns is how quick and easy it is to change from one bottle or label to another. This video for the LabelOn Mini highlights the entire process, from start to finish, in less than 5 minutes. Next, we go through and assess all of your products, where we look for potential issues with your containers and your labels, making sure the labels are correctly sized and oriented on the roll. And of course, we listen to what your needs are for your machine. For example, how we can integrate a hot foil coater or work with measures to align or stabilize your products during labeling. The goal is to catch any complications early. We identify if there are poorly sized labels or bottle shape issues. For example, bottle tapers or bottle complex contours. When your machine arrives, you really want to avoid chasing your tail. The key aim of the gallery is to give you the confidence that the machine will meet your stated goals before the machine is shipped to you. Once we have settled on a design and the machine is underway, you can follow along during the machine build phase and monitor the process. Before delivering your machine, you'll review and approve the factory acceptance tests of your samples. Here we see the same bottle run through the machine 2 times. This test highlights the tolerance and accuracy. It shows you what to expect. This takes all of the guesswork out of the equation before your machine arrives. You will know exactly what you're getting, how the machine performs, and the accuracy you can expect in your operations. Finally, the gallery becomes the focal point of how we service the machine. The gallery, combined with our video call support, makes owning our machinery both a pleasure and a wise choice. When our clients call us needing assistance, we can both be on the same page, quickly identifying what the client needs without something getting lost in translation over the phone. By uploading pictures and videos of any issues you come across, you have a permanent history of how to identify and fix a problem. Any time or place that you have an internet connection, you have access to your gallery as a convenience and can look it up from most smartphones, tablets, and computers. A copy of the manual is always available for download in PDF format, but you can have it as an online version, which you can view from your gallery. The page numbers at the bottom make it easy to identify sections during discussions over the phone. With our LabelOn Modular and Basic series, we have 3D models that allow us to host online screen sharing sessions. We can also produce small 3D animations for your gallery. Why rely on an alternative's junior service technician to arrive if or when they are available? Your LabelOn gallery tools, in combination with our phone and video support, makes our support package a far more attractive and effective option to work with, no matter where you are, in or outside of the country. The value of our online gallery is hard to measure. However, you can see that it takes the supply of your labeling machine to a much higher level, much higher than simply buying a machine with a basic manual.